I'll be making some banana pudding filling. Did I actually say filling? I mean filling. Oh, I'm gonna be making some banana pudding filling for my cake. And to start off, I'm gonna add 2 cups of cold milk, 5 ounces of banana instant pudding. I'm just gonna whip that together until it's well combined. Whip, 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 whip. Whip, whip, whip. Now I'm gonna add 1 can of condensed milk. I usually use Great Value brand everything because it's so much cheaper and it tastes basically just the same. So I'm using that, gonna whip that together. Whip, 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 whip. I'm whipping, I'm whipping, I'm whipping, I'm whipping, I'm whipping. I'm gonna scrape the sides of my bowl now. Scrape, 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 scrape. Now I'm gonna whip again. Whip, 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 whip. I'm gonna whip it, whip it, whip it again. Whip, 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 whip. Now that I'm finished whipping that, I'm just gonna put 12 ounces of Cool Whip and just fold that in. You want to fold it gently in so that Cool Whip doesn't deflate. So whip, 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 not whip, fold, 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 fold. Do you see how gently I'm folding that in? I'm folding it in. Fold, 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 Vita, fold, fold, fold. You need to fold it in until it's well combined. Fold it in. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Almost, almost, almost. And now I'm finally here. This is what you want your filling to look like. It's a little soft now, so just rest it in the fridge for a couple minutes and you're good to go. Perfect filling for any cake. Banana pudding.